and this is actually my second year, and I'm still as excited as I was. Well, I am back again for the Dabur Ratnani 2016 calendar. I can't believe it's not even a year since our last, shoot together for 2015. And this is actually my second year. And I'm still as excited as I was last year because that was the first time I shot for Dabur's calendar. And, honestly, I started the year with my first event for the year was the Dabur Ratnani 2015 calendar, and it has been the most spectacular and luckiest year for me. So I am hoping that trend continues, starting the year again with 2016 Dabur Ratnani's calendar. And I hope the luck comes with it like it did this year. An amazing shoot, an amazing concept this year. It's all about strength and and women and fighting, and we've got boxing gloves on, and that's what I like because that's actually something that I do kind of believe in and stand for as well, women empowerment. And thanks to Dabur for actually creating this concept and allowing me to kind of creatively flow with this idea in the shoot. Again, a great team. Everyone was here. Everyone was happy. We were having a great time. The kids, of course, I always look forward to shooting with them more because they're so much fun. And not that you're not actually Dabur, guys. But yeah, thank you again. I can't blow you a flying kiss with my gloves on. I don't know why I'm still wearing them. But here's to an amazing 2016. I love you guys. All the best. See you then. So my shot is strong. My shot is women empowerment. My shot is muscly. My shot is fierce. What's up? This is Jacqueline Fernandez. Watch out for my shot in Dabur Ratnani's 2016 calendar. Come on, you can hit harder than that.
You're too strong,
come on. We got a referee over here. So we ask a lot of questions before I get onto the ring. Start doing my fight. What's up, Dabur 2016?
Can you believe it's been 1 year since we've shot?
Since we've shot for 2015 calendar.
And the years flown by, and undoubtedly yours was one of the most spoken about pictures in the year.
Yes, yeah. The towel thing was something I think that people that image just remains.
Absolutely. And I think so will this one. I think we've.
Oh yeah.
The first time I've done a boxing thing in the 17 calendars of mine.
Wow, and I love the fact that you're actually getting a girl to do it.
Yeah, that's why I thought that would be cool because you can usually see guys boxing, but and like you said, women empowerment and women self-defense.
And I think it has kind of been like a year of awareness for that as well. So it's like I think a great topic for us to kind of have put in our shoot, and creatively I think it's amazing. Like I'm in like the best shape of my life right now, so I'm so happy that we're actually shooting this at this time. But yeah, it is. More than anything, it's just about kind of for me, it's just being in a place where I'm comfortable. It's being happy with who I am and what I'm doing, and I think that actually more than anything radiates. I think that comes true with like your physical fitness and stuff like that. So
totally.
Yeah. So yeah, 2016, here we come.
Boom.